every cup has a story. And at Fabiani Café, every cup gives back.
The first thing I try and do is get baristas inspired. I can teach them all the knowledge, I can teach them all the skills, but if they don't enjoy doing it, it's just not going to show up in the cup. And so firstly, I hope that they left here inspired, and then secondly, with a few more skills to serve all of the guests at the Fabiani Café.
So I've never even seen a coffee tree, so that was something amazing to see and even learn how the plant is grown and what it looks like.
If your confidence is not there, your techniques or your pouring or whatever is not going to come out right. You must have the confidence enough to do what you want to do. Definitely, I will use that as a motivation to our students who live in our areas. So it doesn't mean from where you come from or what you do, there is a future ahead of you.
The journey has been quite, intense because we haven't sat down yet since we started.
It was quite easy, just adjustment here and there, but further on, we've got this.
The customers are so nice,
But so far, so good. I'm very excited to be here. The opportunity is great. It's vibrant, the place is big, it's massive, so there's a lot of customers, a lot of them coming in and out.
What I'm most excited about is going back to our students and telling them where I was and what I was doing, and to push them and motivate them so that they can go further and become a barista like myself. One cup a day makes a greater day,